Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Adobe XD tutorial how to scroll down. So as example I will insert image. I will use this image and you can resize the image objects. Next I will copy. You can press Ctrl C and V to paste. Okay, we can paste again like this. After it you need to select all objects and you can right click, make a group. The next, to create scroll down, you can click this icon, scrolling, vertical scroll, and then I will set the vertical option into this point. After it, you can see the preview. Click this icon. So if you move the cursor, it will be scroll down in this area, like this. You also can edit again the scroll down position, like at this point, and then I will move a bit to the top. Can preview, and that's it for a basic Adobe XD tutorial how to scroll down. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.